Depending on the camera installation, you may need a wall bracket to achieve the best camera view. Clinton ID series cameras can be installed in our IDX wall brackets following these steps. Place the camera on the IDX wall bracket, aligning the holes on the camera base to the number 4 hole positions as indicated. The camera can be oriented to other number 4 locations, but drilling the hole for the cable exit could be challenging. Mark the area where the cable will pass through the wall bracket. A 1/4-inch hole can be drilled if using non-terminated cable, or a 5/8-inch hole can be used if the cable is already terminated. Attach the wall bracket onto the mounting surface, then attach the ID series camera onto the wall bracket. Route the Ethernet cable through the top of the wall bracket and through the drilled hole. Connect the Ethernet cable to the camera and attach the cover plate to the wall bracket.